You got people revving. I've never seen a Cyber Beast before. What? I've parked the Cybertruck, but not a Cyber Beast though. Oh, this is so much more higher. It's got 2 screens. Look at the seats. That's with a light bar too. That's insane. I've never seen a Cyber Beast before. Like, I always park the Cybertruck, but look at how different. Look at the different size. Look at how much taller the Cyber Beast is. I don't know if you guys are lifted or what. Look at that carbon fiber. Got the peanut butter seats, the carbon fiber finishes, G80 living.
If I can just get everybody's attention for 1 second. We've got a good friend here who is lost. You see an iPhone laying around and bring it to the merch trailer. It would surely make our day. You know, if you ever lost your phone, you know. All right, what a crowd, what a show. It's 11:05, so we got about 30 more minutes here. I want to remind all of our great car owners, we don't want to be moving until 11:30. And we do appreciate it. It's just been a great turnout for a June Caffeine and Octane. You know, we'll be back here next month. It falls a little bit later. I think it's like July 6th, we think. Whatever that first Sunday of the month is.
Well, that's what we're...
Today we've got all kinds of new styles. Tank tops for the girls.
Like, there you go.
And you can always pick up a hat, coffee mug, nothing else. So we've got it all here at the merch trailer.
I think they just...
So go check them out. Read them both of us. It's the way to get on the wall.
My crew right here. It's the Dream Boys. They got the SS. It's like a 29. It looked like 2019, 2020. The Z01, big Z01. We got another SS like 2017, 2018. I'm sure 2018. All black with the sunroof. The Bs, CT5s. Truck, the cream seats. It's a 570S. We got a 720S and a 765. Sheesh. The big 765. Betsy.